In the writing gym, when we give feedback, we do it in the context of a salon. Does the feedback work? Yes, it does. But why? Annalisa has been an expert in the field of writing for nearly 2 decades. So much so that she has been asked to talk about how the creative process works on national television multiple times.
What I do is all based on my study of neuroscience, and more specifically, the application of neuroscience to how we learn and create best.
It was wonderful having so many different kinds of people here and the level of having sort of a risk-free zone so that people were able to explore various styles of writing and to share in a way that felt very safe and very comfortable.
I think when we're talking about Salon, I think one thing that you notice right away is how much stronger of a writer you become.
It was in the Salon that I realized that my theme, my motif, if you like, that goes through almost all of my stories is the outsider. Now, I had never realized that.
Through the feedback I got in Salon, that I started to see the common threads of a little bit of, in terms of craft, of what I was doing well, and what made the way I write different from the way other people write.
We open our salon process to the public only 4 times a year, and we've got one coming up soon. See the next available date around this post. Because of the effectiveness and impact of this process, these spots fill up fast. If you've been churning on feedback, if you're tired of feeling stuck, in fear, unable to move forward with your writing, or if you just plain want to finally be with a group of writers who build up your skills rather than tear you down, reserve your spot now by clicking the link around this video.